What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video you are going to see how to turn on Instagram profile views. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Head over to Instagram. Once you have logged in into your Instagram account, head over to your profile, go to the hamburger menu, and if you scroll down you'll see an option account type and tools. Here all you have to do is switch your account to professional account and click on continue, and after you switch your account to a professional account, you'll be able to reach to more people, learn about your followers, and get some more professional tools also. And by that you can also increase your Instagram profile views or turn on your Instagram profile views. And that's it. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.